Okay guys, I have an unboxing of again a company that is supposed to be HOMFUN as well. So really didn't know it when I ordered it. I have this not such a good way of ordering paintings and checking out videos on YouTube of the company, you know, after I place the order. So by the time I ordered this, I didn't know it was HOMFUN. But you know what? I'm pretty satisfied with HOMFUN thus far, and yeah, I love the variety of images they have available. So this is, but this is DIAPAI. I'm not very sure how to pronounce it, but yeah, here we go. Again, HOMFUN, very funny. Okay, this box has been through some stuff, you know, from all the way from China to here. I'm pretty sure the canvases will be good because they usually are. But yeah. Okay. I think I opened the bottom because this is all I see. Let's get those out of the way. There we go. The toolkits are always the same with HOMFUN. Not necessarily a bad thing, but it's a single placer and a 3-placer. Some tweezers, 5 baggies, a piece of wax, and a white poke with a funnel. ×2, of course. So, yeah, let's see if we can get this out. Oh man, that is stuck. I don't know if it's stuck because the box is all dented. Probably. Okay. That was it. So we've got 2 canvases rolled together. I don't even remember what sizes they were. We have a 50 by 40 and a 40 by 60. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Rubber bands. Don't like the rubber bands, but anyway. This, as always, looks absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. It will kind of be hard to see with the lighting and all and the sunshine, but it is perfect. Before I turn this around, I'm going to show you what the image is and all the info about it. Okay, so let's turn this around. Okay. This looks absolutely perfect. Lots of colors. It's supposed to be very colorful painting. So let's see. Oh yeah. The symbols always look extremely clear, which is something I really enjoy. And I say symbols, but it's mostly letters and numbers, which I really prefer. I don't like a whole lot of the different kind of symbols. This is absolutely perfect. So colorful. I'm not really sure if all the details we're gonna, you know, show. No rivers this time. looks absolutely perfect. Okay, I'll show you up close. That is so clear. Really, really clear. Okay, so let's get these back. Again, no gap. So used to gaps by now. It's very surprising when it doesn't happen. This looks so incredibly colorful. So much fun. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I'm just gonna show the second canvas and do inventory later on. If I can get rid of the rubber bands. Okay. Yeah, this one just seems to be a lot more curved, so to say. So I'm just gonna sort of do this, and I don't know if it's gonna work. But yeah. While I try to rest it a bit, I'm gonna show you a picture of the image and all the info. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. I feel like if you let these rest, like maybe for a few days, they will... Yeah, I don't feel like anything is happening with them. But that could be me. You know, I never test it out because somehow I always video everything I do. And yeah, you kind of have to not really hurry things up, but you know, do it pretty fast. Okay, that was pretty bad. So this one is the 40 by 60, and that's like this. Oh yeah, some slight rivers are happening. It's not that bad actually. Same on this side. Yeah. And let's go on this side. Now this one actually is supposed to go in our bathroom because I really like the image. There is a way more well-known image, painting of this cat on a toilet, but the colors are kind of like red and yeah, it's not really my kind of colors. I like light blues, and our bathroom is actually light blue. So when I saw this, I was like, yep, we're gonna get it, we're gonna do it, and we're actually gonna frame it and hang it in the bathroom. So if you guys have any advice on hanging paintings in a bathroom, kind of worried about the gems, the drills falling off, just let me know. But again, I'm going to show you, oh yes, the drill field, that is absolutely clear. Very clear. A bit more symbols in this one, which I'm guessing, oh no, it's not that bad. When I look at the index right here. Okay, I'm just gonna put this one aside. And let's do inventory on this one. Mute your phone for a second. Okay, we have, wow, 40 colors. That's a lot. Okay, and there are check marks this time. I didn't remember those from my disc pain unboxing. Anyway, let's check it again ourselves. Sorry, I don't know when the camera stopped filming. I think it got overheated because it's actually in a bit of sunlight. Sorry, anyway, everything is here. I mentioned 40 colors, but there are actually 42. I didn't see this part at all. I don't know why. But as soon as I came across these colors, I was like, I don't need those. And oh, wait, 42 colors, I do need them. Anyway, everything is here, no surprise. No extra baggies of anything this time. So let's just clean this up and get the other painting. Okay guys, I'm ready for this inventory. 37 colors on the kitty cat on the toilet, and I can see 3, 8, 6, 5, 72 bags, 3, 7, 5, 6, 40 bags, and 8 to 7, which I'm guessing is a light blue, 33 bags. But yeah, let's just get through this. Okay guys, once again, everything is here. The drills look great. Really, really great. And yeah, kind of excited about starting one of these. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And once again, if you have any advice on a diamond painting in a bathroom, please let me know. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.